uNtanzi uphikile ukuthi uyazi nge-handset. Ocingweni okusolwa ukuthi ngolukwamangalelwa ongunombolo wesibili ecaleni lokubulala uSenzo Meyiwe, laqoshwa embhoshongweni wamaselula ngasesiteshini samaphoyisa eVilleria, ePitoli. Lokhu okushiwo umhlaziyi wedatha yamaselula uGideon Gouws, obethula ubufakazi enkantolo enkulu yaseNorth Gauteng ePitoli.
Communication regarding Kelly Khumalo, it must correlate with 8 cell phones.
I differ with the Lordship.
According to the state,
I differ, my Lord.
Khumalo had.
I differ with the court.
With the court?
Yes, I differ with what the court is saying, that I must correlate with 8 cell phones.
No, but look, it's common sense. If I have 8 cell phones.
My Lord, Section 205 does not require common sense.
What does it?
Abalisa abahlanu babhekene necala lokubulala ukapteni weBafana Bafana ngo-2014. Umsolwa wesibili uBongantanzi uvalelwe eVilleria ngesikhathi kusolwa ukuthi ucingo lutholakala kuye ngoFebhuwari 8, 2021. uNtanzi uphikile ukuthi uyazi nge-handset. uGouws, ngokwemininingwane yesigaba 205, uBongani Ntanzi, ummangalelwa wesibili, wayeseduze neCell Tower 3G Queenswood NGA eqhele ngamamitha angu-220 kusukela eVilleria SAPS lapho ayeboshwe ngaleso sikhathi ngesikhathi kuhlelwa lezo zithembu. Ngomhla zingama-20 ku-Agasti sathatha umbhoshongo wamaselula waseQueenswood. Baloyi, muphi unyaka? uGouws, bekungu-2020. uGouws kulindeleke ukuthi abuyele enkundleni uma ukuqula kwecala.